Hello everyone and welcome to today's episode. So we just bought this brand new to us 2012 Audi TT. Now, first thing I like to do when I get any new car for me is do routine maintenance. You never know what the maintenance was before you got it, and so in this episode we're going to do spark plug changes on this car. Should be really quick, easy to do, so I'm hoping I can make a really quick, easy video for you guys. Alright guys, let's get straight to it. Here's what you're going to need for the job. You're going to need a 5/8 spark plug socket, 3/8 ratcheting wrench and extension. You'll need a needle nose plier, a really long one, and that's only if your spark plug socket doesn't pull the spark plug out. You'll need a 1/4 inch drive with an extension and a T30 bit. Obviously you'll need new spark plugs, which I'll put the link in the description below. And then you may need a new flathead screwdriver, and that's just to kind of help you pry out the old connectors. Obviously don't do that with force. So let's get straight to it, guys. So first thing you want to do is open the hood. It's this lever right here. One thing to note, don't pull in it hard because they're actually super sensitive and the cable will break. Also, check out this interior, man. Oof. We gotta get that fixed right there. Pop the hood. Acknowledge that it's dirty and you'll clean it eventually. Then you'll want to take this cover off right here. How you take this cover off is actually really easy. It literally just pops right off. So you'll pull on it from the front and the back and it'll pop off. Alright, now that you've got the cover off, you'll notice this bolt right here. So you'll grab your 1/4 inch drive. You don't really need an extension, but I grabbed one anyways, and a T30 head. And you'll loosen this here. Now once you've taken that bolt out, all you need to do is just grab a little flathead screwdriver and push this back a little bit. Don't put a lot of pressure, as you will break this piece. So just, you'll hear it click a little bit and you're done. So now you should be able to just push these back and take them off. It might require a little bit of force. So once you push it back enough, you should be able to pop the ignition coils out of the way. So just do that 4 different times, take each one of them out. Alright, so once you pull out the ignition coil, what you can do is access the spark plug. So what this uses is a 5/8 spark plug socket. I obviously grab an extension and a 3/8 ratchet and loosen that up. If you loosen it up all the way and it still doesn't come out, you'll need to grab a really long needle nose pliers to pull those spark plugs out with, and I'll show you guys what I used. So here's what I'm going to use to pull the spark plug actually out. Just grab it by the head and gently pull it up. Boom. And you can see this is caked with a little bit of oil, which is not good. So what I'm going to do now is put the new spark plug back in. I'll just kind of grab it with the long needle nose just to gently put it down there, and then I'll tighten it up with the socket. So I'll take the head off the socket first because I don't want to over tighten it as it's trying to find the threads. Okay, and I can feel now it's getting snug. You don't want to over tighten spark plugs since it's connecting to an aluminum section. So I just normally get it snug and then a little bit more of a turn, and that's it. Should be good there. Double check your work, make sure you're good. Now put the ignition coil back in, and you're going to repeat this step all 4 times and you'll be done.